Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using Squarespace brand templates for design easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home page of your website. On the left sidebar, click on Design. Next, select Site Styles. Scroll down until you find the Branding section. Here, you'll see options for fonts, colors, and logo settings. To use brand templates, look for the Brand Templates option. Click on Brand Templates to access the available designs. You will see a selection of predefined templates to choose from. Select a template that aligns with your brand style. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to open the customization options. Modify the colors and fonts as desired to match your branding. You can also upload your logo in this section. After making the changes, review how they appear on your site. To apply the template, click Save or Publish. Return to your site to see the changes in action. If necessary, revisit the site styles for further adjustments. This process allows for a cohesive look throughout your website. Ensuring your brand identity is consistently represented is essential. Feel free to experiment with multiple templates until you find the perfect fit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.